Hi friends. Welcome to another video of Minute Maid Needle Craft. In this video, we are showcasing a simple floral design using basic embroidery stitches. First step is to trace the design onto the fabric. Then fix the fabric into embroidery hoop to keep the fabric taut while stitching. Start with flower petals using satin stitch. Bring the needle up from the back of the fabric, right at the edge of the petal shape. Take the needle down on the opposite side of the petal, creating a straight stitch across the width of the petal. Ensure that the stitch is close to the starting point and parallel to the petal's edge. Repeat this process, keeping the stitches close together, until the entire petal is filled with parallel stitches. As you can see here, to add depth and dimension to your floral petals, you can use different shades of the same color or even blend different colors. Continue embroidering each petal of the flower using the same satin stitch technique, paying attention to the petal's unique shape and shading. Use the same satin stitch to fill the bigger leaves. Now we are going to fill the small leaves by using fly stitch. Bring the needle up from the back of the fabric at one end of the leaf's outline. Then bring the needle down at this point to make straight stitch. Again, bring the needle up from the back of the fabric at the right or left side of the first stitch. Make a diagonal stitch from left to right, or right to left, forming a V shape, and leave the thread loose. Without pulling the needle all the way through, insert the needle back into the fabric a short distance away from the tip of the V, and bring it up again slightly to the right or left of the first fly stitch. Repeat the process to create a row of fly stitches along the leaf's outline. We are now into the final stage of our embroidery tutorial to embroider the flower center by using French knot. Bring the needle up from the back of the fabric. Hold the floss taut with your other hand. While holding the floss tightly, wrap the thread around the needle a few times. Keeping the wraps in place with your non-needle hand, insert the needle back into the fabric close to where the thread came up. Repeat the process till we finish the flower center. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative projects like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy crafting!